Everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the feet on your Surface Laptop 1 and 2. This is a really good example because sometimes the feet fall off completely, whereas this, we still have them. So I'll show you guys how to remove these old ones so you could fit the new ones on, as they're designed to not go over this old metal but go directly onto the housing itself. So what you'll need is a screwdriver, small flathead, or some sort of pry tool. Excuse me. And what we'll do here is, this metal is very soft, so don't go up flush with the laptop here, but go slightly above, and you could just see this one's already moving. You could just kind of stab into it and then just give it a flick up. Do this probably a couple times and you'll get it. There we go, look at that. Pops off. Here's how the old piece looks like. Oh. You see that? You could go ahead, recycle that, get your new piece here. As you can see, we have made that a little dowel there to align it so that it's centered with that piece. So now we'll just grab some of our glue, and I'll put the glue directly onto the laptop casing, as I find it's easier to handle this rubber piece without glue on it. So then you're not getting glue on your hands. And I recommend using gloves just so you don't get any glue residue on your hands. If not, I mean, we do it without it, so it's fine. And so I'll put a dot, as you can see, right there in the middle. And I find that it's a good amount. Not too much, it's actually a little excessive. So I'll wipe some off. Perks of the glove. And now, place that down. And lightly press it into place. And you don't want to put too much glue because then it'll ooze out and it'll be pretty ugly. It'll dry kind of white and flaky and it just won't look very good. So now, press down with your finger or a little screwdriver here so that it seats nicely. And I mean, I would leave it for at least 12 hours upside down like this once you do all the feet, just so it cures, sets nicely. And then feel free to use it and enjoy your laptop again. It should be nice and strong and should hold up for quite some use. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down in the comment section below. We do our best to reply to all your guys' comments. If you need any parts or tools you see me use, links below for all those. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and have a phenomenal day.